Discover how I went from zero to car payment hero in just 2 weeks. Hi there, this is Yam from Canada. So I want to share a game-changing venture that transformed my life and can do the same for you. So I was searching for ways to boost my resources to cover some monthly bills. And these are all because I consider a venture with minimum upfront cost. Unlike other ventures that I've been part of that require huge outlay and upsells, burdened with hefty recurring payments. So questions for you, if you have any business, how long do you usually wait to recover your outlay? So take a look at these comparisons here. On the previous venture that I was part of, the startup capital is huge with upsells, mostly 10 to 30% commission with monthly recurring fees. It takes time to recover the outlay and complicated system to use. And versus this venture with minimal to start, all earnings are yours and just one sale covers the startup cost. And with pre-built website that you can use right away or a choice for you to create with guides. So if you find this appealing, tap the button to see if it aligns with your needs. So what's holding you back to learn how this can help to sustain families' needs? Because for me, the low risk and high rewards are the ones that I've been looking for.